Ladies and gentlemen, here's a song from Johnny Reed, A Little Taste of Home. When I'm out on the road, tired and alone, and I get that feeling I've been gone too long, that's when I know I need a little taste of home. When I'm running on empty, it's cold, it's dark, wearing on my wheels and a hunger in my heart, that's when I know I need a little taste of home. A little taste of home takes me there and back again, back to where I'm from, warms me up like a good old friend. No matter where I go, it feels so good to know that waiting at the end of the road, a little taste of home. Okay, can I have a round of applause for you guys? Aye. Okay, thank you. The race and the sun, or blood and snow, when I hear that song on the radio, I know I need a little taste of home. When I wake up in a place that I've never been before, good looking for the sign, and I drive through that door, 'cause I know I'm gonna find a little taste of home. A little taste of home takes me there and back again, back to where I'm from, warms me up like a good old friend. No matter where I go, it feels so good to know that waiting at the end of the road's a little taste of home. A little taste of home. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Captain Jan Sparrow from Benguet. Thanks so much.